Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to register with Platincoin and activate your minting bot. First thing you need to do is you need to get your sponsor's referral link. So you should have that by now. You take that link and it looks something like this. You can see this link that I copied. So it looks like this: platincoin.com en/en then / a particular number. When you put that in, you would come to the menu here at the top right. If you're on mobile, those three dots right there at the top right corner, click on that and select sign up. If you are on desktop, you would already see login and sign up at the top. Confirm the sponsor name. This is important. And then you go ahead, put in your email, put in your password, your name, and then your place of residence. Here just select Nigeria. Okay, confirm the terms and conditions and click sign up. Once you do this, a verification email will be sent to your email box. I suggest you use a Gmail, okay, for this email. Some people have had challenges receiving emails with Yahoo, so if you have a Gmail, that is preferable. Others may take longer, but Gmail is the fastest, so use Gmail. And once you do that, click the link in your email, the verification link, and it will activate your account. Okay, you then come back to the website here and go to login. You log in. That's after you've activated. You cannot log in if you have not activated. So you go to login and then you put in your password. I have two-factor authentication here, so you can also set that up after you have signed in, but I have two-factor here, so I get a one-time password in my Telegram. So I click on confirm and I sign in. You are now on your dashboard, okay? And so you have a free account. You can see every single thing in the ecosystem, the farms and everything, but obviously yours is not activated yet. So you need to scroll down to the bottom to select the package you want under our products. If you are signing up right now during this promo, I highly recommend you take one of these 3 packs, because you're going to get a free farm. That's the power minter here. So assuming you want to sign up with the plus package, which is 1,000, you can see the price at the bottom, 1,070 euros. You're going to get a free power minter, which is the farm, with a maximum load of 735 platin coins for 10 years. So you click on that button, the 1,070 euro, and then scroll down. Okay, order summary. You select payment method, and here you're going to select Bitcoin. Right now in Africa, Bitcoin is the fastest and recommended way to sign up. If you do cash, there's a cash option. This is an e-wallet option where you're going to have to fund the e-wallet, maybe get US dollars first, then you fund the e-wallet. Then it may take 5 days before you can now transfer to Platincoin and then pay. But Bitcoin is instant. Everybody can get Bitcoin. Click on purchase. The next page you are going to see is an order page. It's your payment page, and you're going to have 30 seconds to make the payment. So make sure that you have enough Bitcoin already. You can see the exact amount here at the bottom. They're going to tell you the exact amount, so make sure that the amount is not less than this. All right, the first thing you can do before you pay, all right, go through this process and see the exact amount here first. All right, then make sure you have this amount. So if you don't have this amount in your Bitcoin wallet, you can go and top up your balance, and once you have it, this page can actually expire. If you're not ready, it doesn't matter. All right, the important thing first is to know the exact Bitcoin value that you need to transfer. So for example, let's say I didn't have this Bitcoin yet, but I wanted to know how much I need to buy in Bitcoins. I could come through this process, see the amount, and then go and buy this amount of Bitcoins. And then it may take me, 1 hour, 30 minutes, doesn't matter. When I come back, obviously I advise you get a little bit more than this. So for this instance, I may get 0.04 or 0.036 or something like that, just to have a little bit more for transaction fees and all that. So but when you come back to this page, you are going to see this. So copy this exact amount and put it in your Bitcoin wallet to transfer, and then you're sending to this address. All right, alternatively, if you have your wallet on another phone, or you are doing this on your desktop and your wallet is on your phone, you can scan the barcode. But otherwise you can just find a way to copy this code. Don't try to type it out by yourself. Copy it, either email it or telegram it or WhatsApp to yourself, then copy. Don't try to type it one by one. All right, but ensure that the code is correct and ensure that you're sending the exact Bitcoin value. And once you make the payment, you can see there's no button to press here. This is an artificial intelligence. It's going to keep scanning for this payment for the next 30 minutes. I advise you with all my heart, never try to pay with Luno. Never try to pay with Luno. Luno is not an automatic payment wallet. All right, so when you do your transaction with Luno, they still have to activate it from the office manually. So that may take, sometimes I've been on Luno transactions that took 6 hours, some took 1 hour. So but you only have 30 minutes. So I advise you to use blockchain.com wallet. That's the fastest wallet I know. Or if you have Exodus wallet, that's also a good one. But blockchain wallet is easily accessible. Just go to blockchain.com and you download the wallet. All right, so the wallet looks like this. Is this, you see blockchain at the bottom here. So you can download it from your app store. It's free, and then create an account, and do your verification. Your email and mobile verification is free, and you can get started with this. So you send, if you have Bitcoin anywhere else, send it to this blockchain wallet first. All right, before you make the payment, and then you can see that this page is going to automatically track the payment. Once it has been confirmed on the blockchain, it will automatically approve the transaction and take you back to the page. Once you get back to the page, let me see. So once you get back to the page, you will see that your bot is already active, and if you got the promo pack, your free farm will also be active. All right, so you can see that here. If you are, for example, if you are getting this promo package, you will have some bonus. Like for the plus package, you will have 25 bonus, and then you can see that the minting has started automatically. Once you pay, you don't have to do any other thing. It will start minting automatically, and then you will see the farm as well. The farm is this one in black. You see your maximum load that you have, capacity that you're getting for free. So that is how to sign up. It's very straightforward. Open the free account here, come and select the package down here. Select the package down here, select your mode of payment, Bitcoin, and then next page you make the transfer. Use your blockchain wallet, and do not try to use Luno for this. Okay, hope this helps you. Have a great time in Platincoin, and let's make money. The time is now.